Brush maintenance. Keeping your tools in top shape. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a topic that's essential for artists, hairstylists, makeup artists, and even for our daily personal care: brush maintenance. Whether you're a professional or just someone who uses brushes regularly, understanding how to properly maintain your brushes can greatly extend their lifespan and ensure the best performance. So, let's get started. Brush maintenance refers to the care and upkeep of different types of brushes to ensure they stay clean, retain their shape, and remain effective for their intended use. This not only involves regular cleaning but also proper storage and occasional deep maintenance. By neglecting brush maintenance, you risk damaging the bristles, accumulating bacteria, or even ruining your projects or your skin. Daily brush care is crucial to prevent the buildup of residues and to keep your brushes ready for their next use. Here's how you can incorporate brush maintenance into your daily routine. 1. Wipe off excess residue. After each use, gently wipe your brushes on a clean cloth to remove excess product. 2. Rinse with water. For brushes used with water-based products, rinse the bristles under lukewarm water. 3. Reshape the bristles. Gently reshape the bristles with your fingers to prevent them from drying in an odd shape. 4. Let them dry. Always let your brushes dry by laying them flat on a clean towel. Avoid drying brushes with the bristles up, as water can seep into the handle and loosen the glue over time. Deep cleaning should be done periodically to remove built-up residues and to disinfect the bristles. Follow these steps for a thorough cleaning. 1. Prepare your cleaning solution. Use a gentle brush cleanser or a mix of mild soap and water. 2. Swirl the bristles in the solution. Gently swirl the brush in the cleaning solution to loosen the trapped particles. 3. Rinse thoroughly. Rinse the brush under lukewarm water until the water runs clear. 4. Squeeze out excess water. Gently squeeze the bristles with your fingers to remove excess water. 5. Reshape and dry. Reshape the bristles and let the brush dry flat on a clean towel. Proper storage and handling are key to extending the life of your brushes. Here are some tips. 1. Keep them dry. Store your brushes in a dry place to prevent mold and mildew. 2. Use a brush holder. A brush holder keeps the bristles from getting bent or damaged. 3. Avoid direct sunlight. Store your brushes away from direct sunlight to prevent the bristles from becoming brittle. Proper brush maintenance is essential for anyone who uses brushes regularly. By incorporating these simple steps into your routine, you can ensure that your brushes last longer and perform at their best. Remember, well-maintained brushes are not only more effective but also more hygienic. We hope this video helps you in taking better care of your brushes. Until next time, keep your tools in top shape and your creativity flowing.